As new sailors slash cruisers, there's one main thing we're certainly realizing. You let the island life decide for you. This time we had to wait 10 days for this cargo ship to arrive. Why? Because our propane ran out. Uh-oh. And this ship carried the refills. But I mean, look at this place. I'm happy being stuck here. So this week you're coming on some adventures while we wait. We catch all sorts of different things and one that I was not expecting.
This looks like poop.
But hey, we're here to try new things, right? Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and we haven't had coffee, but we're taking you on a full day with us as we go hunting for fish. We want to go during slack tide, which is in 1 hour, so. It's nice hanging out with you guys in the morning again. It's been a while, hasn't it?
I'm just doing my morning journal, kind of recounting what I did yesterday.
Is it one squid, two squid? Or is it squids?
Squid.
Squid plural is
Squids
squid?
if you talk about different types of squids.
And these are the ones that Max gets the most. The yellow, it's the Schoolmasters. Here we go, time to go.
Wait,
We better hustle or we'll miss slack tide. Uh-oh. Here.
and a knife.
Catch us, poopy.
Spiny crayfish, I think they're called. Lobster crayfish. I think they're crayfish because they don't have the claws.
We didn't have the lure, but it's legal to shoot them in the Bahamas with the Hawaiian sling.
Sadly, it is a female.
What? Are you sure?
It's legal.
No, the females have 2 layers. That's a male.
Oh, it's a male.
Yeah. He's such a big boy. What the heck? What you doing?
Just looking at it. Looking at these patterns, like, isn't that insane?
So we have crawfish / lobster for dinner.
Right.
Or for lunch.
Because we're eating him fresh.
Yeah, let's have him now.
Okay. Really, that's all you eat?
I can't believe you can't eat the legs. I would eat the legs. I'm sure there's meat.
No, it's such. Should we try one of the legs?
Yeah, more than one. In the meantime, guys, look at this pool. Okay, let's go prepare this bad boy.
So while I was out there, I not only saw a lobster, but we saw some big yellow, what they call schoolmaster snappers. And they're great eating, but wouldn't let me get close enough, and I'm not, I'm still a beginner, so I couldn't get close enough, and the current was so strong that I would go down and then I'd use all my energy trying to keep up with the current and run out of breath and couldn't stay down long enough. Because they would go into the holes, and usually what I do is hide and wait and they come out to look who's outside the hole, bam, then you get him. But I just couldn't wait there long enough because the current would keep pushing me back.
Yeah, and you couldn't hold on because you had a Hawaiian sling.
And I had a Hawaiian sling, and I had the GoPro, which was, the GoPro is a bit annoying actually. I saw a massive grouper as well. Biggest thing I've ever seen. Looked like a Goliath, but it was white, so it couldn't have been. So it was just so big. And
how big was it?
I mean, I could start. I mean, the season starts. Oh, he's moving. Grouper was about that big. I might have him on the camera actually. There you go, cutting it down the back. Oh, I see. I was doing it wrong.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna fill up the water tanks. Manny's gonna cook.
I'm just waiting for this baby to cook. Ooh, yeah. And the legs came along pretty nicely.
The first person ever to eat them.
Delicious. Okay, no meat's going to waste with Manu.
Do you want the other piece? Which one do you want?
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Very rich. We're heading to a new spot to hopefully get some fish. We're gonna go check this spot. If not, we're gonna go check another spot.
But we're on a what can we catch in 1 week mission.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Don't forget to hydrate yourself. Yeah. I think Max has something. Because he doesn't come back unless he has a fish. 5 minutes in the water, barely got into my book, and he's got something. Ooh. Well done, babe.
Ginormous barracudas, though.
Really? This is awesome.
So many. I could have had the biggest fish. Huge yellow jag. And then I just saw a shark. I was like, oh no. It came pretty close.
What kind of shark?
Reef shark.
We're going back to the boat?
Yeah. So we got full schoolmaster snappers. There's a lot of schoolmasters here, but they're beautiful. So we got a whole bunch of them. We're gonna fillet them. We're gonna have a nice dinner, and we're gonna save some for fish tacos.
I was scrolling earlier. I saw some woman make this Asian dish, like frying her little chicken. We don't have chicken, we have sea chicken, ocean chicken.
That's tuna, sea chicken.
Oh, so we have snapper, which is not tuna. It's just as good. So that's what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make these fried little snapper bites on a bed of rice. Let's cook in 3, 2, 1, cook. And voila! Good night. Hello there. Yesterday as Max was spearfishing, I saw some folks that live here doing some stuff out there and on the coastline.
They were hunting.
They were hunting, harvesting something. Yeah. So when Max finished hunting a delicious snapper, actually, well, anyways, we went to go check out the guys, and we were like, "What are you catching? What are you getting?" And they were catching, or they were collecting these huge snails. So I want to try doing that too. Back home, we eat snails.
No, I don't though. I never really. Twice in my life.
I've had snails.
You're generalizing.
I mean, it's not that unfamiliar to me. I've had them a few times and I think they're delicious, so it's not that gross to me. Maybe for some of you guys it might be, but anyways, I like snail. We're gonna go catch some, or we're gonna go see if we can catch some. And it's not too far from where we're anchored, so that's perfecto. And we'll take you along, of course. Also, if you're liking this video so far, like and subscribe.
Subscribe to it.
Because it really supports our channel. Let's go!
Here's one. Oh, look at it.
Oh, cool! I found one!
Yay!
Look, it's a big boy. It's a big boy. Look at that. So we have how many?
We have enough.
Yeah.
I mean, we're probably not gonna eat. I mean, we maybe do.
I'll have. Yeah, let's try them, and if they're good.
We can ask our Canadian friends if they like them.
If they're good, we can come back.
I'm gonna quickly ask the viewers. Little David Attenborough moment. What are these? Have a look. What the heck is that?
So we just got back and I need to figure out what to do with these snails. In the meantime,
We've got our new knife from the store. We'll see how it works. Probably got ripped off, but most important moment of the day is cleaning your gear, keeping all that salt water off it. Because it'll destroy your mask, destroy plastic, destroy fabric.
I found a recipe where you boil them for 3 minutes, then you put them in this garlic seasoning sauce, and then add another 100 milliliters of water and boil them for 10 minutes, and add some cornstarch to thicken the sauce. So I'm gonna try that, and I'll show you what it looks like. End result, not too bad. Now it's Max's turn to cook the fish, and then we'll have a meal, a feast.
My turn to cook. And I guess clean.
Why?
Cook and clean.
It's not catch and cook, it's cook and clean here. Are you ready?
Let's taste that fish.
Bon appétit, mon chou.
Bon appétit. What's going on there?
We're trying escargot. Oh my god.
It's a bit nasty.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have just caught one and eaten it.
Mmm.
Good?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat this one. I think I'm just going to stick to the fish today. This looks like poop.
I like it.
10, well, what out of 10?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah. I mean, it's not amazing. We forgot to log out and say goodbye. So thanks for watching. Next video, we're thinking of including a little bit more facts about us or frequently asked questions. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments and we'll answer them next video. Mwah. Bye. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It supports it a lot.